9.9 volts. Guess we'll find out. What a beautiful morning, but I tell you what, with the weather so unpredictable this time of year, you know the one thing that's not unpredictable? What sock I'm gonna wear when I walk out that door. It's the Camel City Mill sock, and it's made out of merino wool. And I don't have to worry about what the weather condition is because I wear the same sock year round, whether it's 0 degrees or 100 degrees. These socks are so comfortable in all climates and conditions, either on concrete or here on the gravel in the wood yard. They make my feet happy, and they whip the sweat away from my feet so I don't have those stinky feet anymore. Just ask my wife. She's happy with Camel City Mill socks as well. If you don't trust me, go buy a pair yourself or read all the comments of the happy feet that Camel City Mill socks makes. But they do have a 10-year guarantee. If for some reason you wear the sock out or it has damage to it or a hole in it, just send them back and they'll send you a brand new pair for free, no charge. So how can you beat a guarantee like that? And I love the padding on these socks, especially the first time you put them on. Oh my goodness, you'll never go back to those old socks that you were wearing. So try them out, Camel City Mill socks at www.camelcitymills.com, and click on one of these links to see what favorite socks I wear here on Peterson Farms of Nashville. Having all kinds of problems with batteries this time of year. I know where that old bad boy battery is gonna go. Got plans for it. Can't lose that. Hate these things. right, folks, another great day on the sawmill. Sawing up some of those slabs, knocking the edges off so we can get that 1x11 size siding for the barn. But the sawmill, the MechMaxx 36, works out great. Not only for sawing that lumber up from the original log, but knocking down those edges to the desired width of board lumber that you need or want. Some people leave the live edges on there, but I don't want to do that for this application. But I hope you liked what you saw and you keep coming back. If you don't mind, hit that thumbs up on your way out. Hit that hype button down there by the description. Just swipe left and you'll see hype, and then just click on that. That helps the videos get pushed out to far more people. And most of all, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you a darn thing, and you get to see content like this with the sawmill or the tractor or just other things that we do around here on the farm. So thanks for stopping in again. God bless you all, and see you next time.